Hi guys, and welcome back on our Kubai Design YouTube channel. My name is Alex. Let's proceed with our special 6x6 G Wagon conversion kit. So, first of all, I want to thank you, our Kubai Design team, for the finished process. Don't be mind about this, because our happy customer asked us to manufacture just the 1/30 of the whole process with his G Wagon. He asked us only to manufacture the rear pickup body. Of course, it should be separated, the frame, and just completed everything for transportation to his country, because he owns his own body shop, and will proceed with the painting, with the putty, with the everything like suspension and the wheels and the portals with his own. We just assembled partially this pickup body. You can see the huge gaps here, just because we need to transfer the whole G Wagon to another country in a container. So we screwed with the bolts and screws the pickup body to the main body, here and over there, and assembled it not very good, just because we need to reassemble it once again. The customer will transfer his own axles with the cordon shafts, with the whole suspension, to remove it with the Mercedes middle axle OM 6x6, and the rear one with all the Bilstein suspension and another, of course, wheels with the portal axles. This whole rear pickup body has been completed with the pure metal. No putty, no other materials has been added, and you can see this is a straight line metal, and customer will proceed with the putty after it. But as for now, you can check the straightness of the pickup body. Yeah, some minor gaps and some marks here, it's not a problem, because putty will fix it everything, just for customer's choice. And of course, the roof bar rack will be replaced into chrome one as an original. As for the rear part, eventually you can see the rear door with the door handle and mechanisms. We offer two different variations of the rear mechanisms, like this in original, or the gas tubes. So it would be easier to open and close the door. And as for these roof rack, like whole containers, we decided to put it in because the roof rack will be removed and install the new one. So customer will need the, to proceed the whole unmounting process to get there. So he'll open this, remove that, and install back. And of course, we'll close it with the sealant glue and some kind of metal. As for the rear pickup body underneath and the whole frame with the suspension parts, you see that we made with the Exit acrylic primers. Everything has been cleared and everything is new. So especially these suspension parts that called shock absorbers carriers. They are new, we buy them and well to the main frame. Also, as we restore and make new these silent block carry parts. So no rusting, no salt whiten will remove the surface here. Everything has been protected, and we hope it will serve for years. So I've told you a few words about our remaining progress for the G55 AMG 6x6. I remind that it's 2009, but it has the interior from 2014, and it will be some kind of limousine because the rear seats are longer back. This car is US spec. It's for sale, and if you purchase it now, I'll grade you the super cool discount on this. I hope you contact me directly on WhatsApp. Try it for you. Thanks a lot. Subscribe. Bye-bye.